Welcome this video introducing Elevate rustic gardening bed is a popular and accessible way to grow your own fresh vegetable and flower every with limited space or moment. In this gas we cover the basic of elevate rustic gardening bed cabin benefit material and type for get started. Benefit of elevate rustic gardening bed: better elevate rustic gardening allow for excellent red the wrist waterless salt and root accessible. Elevate rustic gardening bed are perfect for gardening with mobile income as then the need for beginning or need better the rain. Elevate rustic gardening bed allow for excellent during read the rest of waterlogged salt and root patrol controlling. Elevate rustic gardening bed are loft to patrolling then are from the surrounding salt aesthetic. Elevate rustic gardening bed can be designed to be various, applying add beauty to your outdoor space. Material need wood cut, recycle place or companion material and popular choice for elevate rustic bed salt, a mix of tools compost, and various provide good use. Applying gardening and landscape fiber along of growing or landscape fiber help reduce and provide weak softening adue smoke on can help with water design and construction location select a pot that requires at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Determinant size. Consider the space available and the type of plants you want to grow. Build the frame. Use wood screen or need to the frame. Add the button layout. Install a layout of gardening or landscape fiber for air during. Fit with salt. Fit the bed with a mix of trolling, compost, and various type for gardening. Starting smart, beginning with a few easy to growing plants such as dropping or heart water plants, then the top inch of scroll field due on the touch requesting field plants with a balance one of month max area plants to promoting and supplement weak and add compost to the sub to important its century. Convenient mark stocks to afford insufficient during, make, sub, the bed, have, to provide, waterlog, salt, sunlight, cells, the bed, receive, insufficient, sunlight, for the type of plants, poor salt quality, use a valve during post, mix, and add original metal, impacts salt quality. Conclusion: elevate rustic gardening bed is a fun and reward a way to growing your own food and flower, even with limited space or mobile. By follow this type and guest line outline is the gardening will be well on your way to create and provide elevate rustic gardening bed type, type of growing. Start beginning with a few easy to growing plants such as tomato or herb. Thank you for watching this video.